Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Sun is out. Let's do some fishing. Can we catch any fish right here? This pond is empty. Oh, grass is wet. Look at that fish. Okay, caught you, fish. Come here, bro. Come here. I'm hungry. Well, fuck off then. Look at these. Beautiful indeed. What is she doing over there? Where the fuck on earth she's heading to? God knows where. Look how beautiful that is. Alrighty then. My tummy's growling. I hadn't even had my coffee yet. Let's go have some coffee. We need that caffeine, baby. Oh yeah. Coffee in the wilderness, god damn it. That's beautiful coffee right there. Oh, hello campsite. And hello lady. Ladybugs. God damn sexy. Look at that booty. We're becoming hunters today. We follow deer tracks. And the deer tracks lead to the lake. So my conclusion is the deer is taking a bath. Let's go find it. God damn deer! Where'd you disappear, deer? It went that side. Coming after you, deer. Oh yeah. Chicken wings in the making. Oh yeah. God damn! I completely busted the whole rim. Oh god damn. That's what we do for a life full of adventure. Fuck off, man. That's what I do! Woo! Yeah!
Use my iPhone 15.